In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug quickly and easily. If you've been trying to buy a game or add funds to your wallet, but keep getting PayPal errors, don't worry, this happens to a lot of users. Whether it's a connection issue, a verification problem, or just a temporary glitch, I'll walk you through all the steps to get your Steam and PayPal connection working smoothly again. First, open your Steam app and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. This part is important because unstable networks can cause payment failures. Once your app is open, look to the top right corner and click Login. Enter your Steam username and password, and make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. Now, click on your profile name in the top right menu and select Account Details from the drop-down list. On this page, click Add a payment method to this account. Here, you'll see different payment options. Go ahead and select PayPal. If PayPal doesn't appear in the list, don't panic. This usually happens because of a temporary cache or sync issue. Try logging out and back in, or even restarting your Steam client. Once it's visible, select PayPal and link your account again. You'll be redirected to the official PayPal login page. Just sign in there and confirm authorization. Before completing your setup, make sure your PayPal account is verified. That means your email, card, or bank account linked to PayPal must be active and confirmed. Steam won't process payments from unverified or restricted PayPal accounts, so double-check that. Another quick fix: make sure you actually have enough funds in your PayPal balance or in the linked bank account. Sometimes Steam transactions fail simply because the payment source runs into a temporary hold or an insufficient balance. If you're using a debit or credit card through PayPal, ensure it hasn't expired or been flagged for security reasons. If you still get the PayPal error, try this pro tip. Manually transfer funds from your bank account to your PayPal balance, then use that balance directly on Steam. This bypasses authorization errors and gives Steam an instant confirmation for your purchase. Once all that's done, head back to Steam and try making your purchase again. You should now see PayPal processing smoothly without any errors or declined transactions. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps carefully, you'll be able to fix the Steam PayPal bug and get back to buying, downloading, and playing your favorite games without interruptions. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes and gaming tips.